Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have a class on chapter cubes and cube roots. What are cube numbers? What is the cube root of a number? And what are the properties of cube numbers? We are going to learn in this class. We know that already you have learnt about squares and square roots. Same way here, cubes and cube roots. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Same way. When you multiply 3 times, you are getting 27. When you multiply 4 3 times, you will get 64. If you multiply 5 3 times, 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, we get 125. 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, and so on. So all these numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, all these are said to be perfect cubes or simply cube numbers. Perfect cubes or cube numbers. Okay? So for perfect squares means we multiply 2 times. Perfect cubes are the numbers obtained on multiplying number 3 times. Okay? So 1 cube is 1. Okay, for 1 let us leave. 2 cube equal to, okay. Cube root of 1 is 1. 1 cube is 1 means cube root of 1 is 1. Same way, 2 cube is 8. That means cube root of 8 is equal to 2. How to get this? Let me explain you. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Just like square root. When you find the square root, for 2 equal factors, we used to take 1. But for finding the cube root, for 3 equal factors, we have to take 1 factor when we want to open the cube root. So for these 3 2's, 1 2 is to be taken. So cube root of 8 gives you 2. Same way, if 3 cube is 27, cube root of 27 gives you 3 and so on. 7 cube means cube root of 343 gives you 7. All these are like this. So I hope this is clear to you. So these all are said to be cube numbers or perfect cubes. And if you want to find the cube root of a number, you have to factorize, and for 3 equal factors, you have to take 1 so that you will get the cube root of a number. Okay? And so whenever, if one number will be given to you, if it is a perfect cube or not, if you want to find out, you have to see whether the number can be factorized in the groups of 3 equal factors. Otherwise, no. And one more, suppose a number is having zeros towards the right side. Then, if the number has 3 zeros or 6 zeros or 9 zeros, the number may be a perfect cube. Not all the numbers ending with 3 zeros are perfect cubes. Let me give you an example. Suppose it is 1000. It is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. Because 3 zeros are there and 1 is also a perfect cube. Suppose it is 2000. It is not a perfect cube. Not a perfect cube. Because 2 is not a perfect cube number. Let me give you 8000. It is a perfect cube because 3 zeros are there and also 2 is a cube, or 8 is a cube of 2. That's why it is perfect cube. That way, if you can see, as soon as you see, you will be able to know whether the given number is a perfect cube or not. Okay? Now, let us learn what are the properties of cube numbers or perfect cubes. Okay? Properties of cubes. of an even number is even. Just now I cleared. 1 cube is 1. 1 is odd number. Its cube also 1 odd number. 2 cube is 8. 2 is even number. 8 is also even number. So the properties of cubes. First property is cubes of even numbers are even. Cubes of even numbers are even. Already I have shown some. Let me show some more. 2 cube is 8. 10 cube is 1000. 10 is even. 1000 is even. Okay? Etc. And your second property is cubes of odd numbers are odd. Cubes of odd numbers are odd. Let me give you an example. 5 cube is 125. 5 is odd. 125 is odd. 9 cube is 729. When you multiply 9 3 times, we get 729. This is odd, 9 is odd. Your third property is cube of a negative number is negative. Cube of a negative number is negative. When you multiply a negative number 3 times, we get negative only. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus 8 whole cube is minus 512. Already you have learned that minus to the power odd number gives you negative. Minus to the power even number gives you positive value. So as 3 is odd number, minus to the power odd number gives you negative value. That's why the cube of a negative number is always negative. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. And if you have to find the cube of a rational number, cube of a fraction means cube of the numerator by cube of the denominator. Okay? In the next class, you are going to learn how to find the cubes or the cube root of a perfect cube by prime factorization. Thank you.